Okay, so I'm just gonna do the signs, the glossing that I give you on the paper, and then I'll do the song with the music. Lord, worship, Eucharist, God, Mary, her son, real body, real blood, heaven, angel. This is your two-hand classifier for your circlet. And then your name, honor, praise, please, accept, Jesus, Christ. And you can now follow yourself, grab them and give it to them, belong. And then you'll do those two parts again, so you have that done. The third verse that is different from the other ones, we'll do that one, and then I'll do that one with the actual song. Holy, and then you're going to present God in front of you up here, and then important, you present them again, and then heaven, holy, people, worship, praise, and then mercy, present God, mighty or strong, and then you present God, and then express, you alternate the hands, and then glory right, glory left, glory right. And then the other two verses are the same as the ones before, okay?